Welcome to my new listing at 113 Autumn Way. Come in for a fun twist on a classic Christmas story. 'Twas the night before moving, and all through the house, excitement was stirring. No one was a grouse. The for sale sign gleamed on the corner lot in the heart of Edgewood, where dreams are sought.
The living room glows with style and grace, a perfect retreat, a welcoming space. A dining room awaits for gatherings grand, with space to host all just as you've planned.
The kitchen was ready, a chef's delight, granite counters and cabinets in white, stainless appliances, a pantry so wide, recessed lighting that sparkles with pride. The great room stood tall with its vaulted height. A firewood glow made it cozy at night. Off to the sunroom where sunlight does pour, overlooking the backyard, a retreat to adore. The bedrooms were waiting, so spacious and neat, each one a haven, a calming retreat. The primary suite, with its charm and allure, is perfect for dreams, both restful and pure. Decks for gathering under starlit skies, a space for laughter where good times arise, eaves for storage, and closets galore. This home is complete. Who could ask for more? Two-car garage for your treasured ride. With newer HVAC, your comforts supplied. Have high schools nearby, a true delight. This home is perfection, both day and night. So here's your chance. Don't let it delay. Schedule your showing and move in today. And as you settle in, with a warm-hearted cheer, merry moving to all, and a joyful new year.